Artie doesn't think he wants to do a drawing now. Just kidding! Artie always wants to do a drawing. Okay, let's begin.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, look at that drawing. It's music to my ears. Oh, yeah, it is. Bye.
Coming up later, I'm going to sing a song. Yeah! Well, I think it's time that we took a little break and had a song. Do you think so, little artists? Okay, let's sing a song.
My shoes are made from jelly, oh so squishy, oh so smelly. They wiggle when I walk, they giggle when I talk. Bouncy on the ground with a jiggly sound. Step by step I go wobble wobble whoa. Jelly shoes, they're the ones I'd always choose. Sticky, tricky, slippery too. My jelly shoes are gooey new. Wiggle wobble on my feet, they make my day oh so sweet.
A wonderful song. I loved it. Okay, let's carry on with the drawing. I love art so much.
Look at Artie go!
Drawing is so much fun. Wow, that one came out really good. I think I'm finished. Are you finished, little artist? Are you really happy with how yours came out? I bet it looks great. But, it's a little bit black and white. Oh, I know. Let's add some color.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
When Artie adds color?
Yes.
Oh, this one came out really nice. I might put this in a frame. How was yours? I bet yours came out really good too, because you're so talented.
See you later, Artie.
Have a great day, Artie.
We hope you had fun watching Artie's show. We sure had fun doing it. Please come again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have an Artie day. Bye.